Welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia Jones, and in today's video we are going to be installing Rebel Boho Braid. Now this color is HT Mocha and it's 26 inches, and yeah, I bought 5 packs, 3X. I did a different braiding pattern this time because I want to be able to style it any kind of way, and I don't want to worry about the zigzag method. So this is my braiding pattern, and then this is the back. And that one little braid, I always took it out, like my hair was on the thinner side, so this is why I usually do a different braiding pattern. But my one little braid, I just gotta tuck it. I don't have to do all the sewing and all that stuff. So I bought 5 packs. It was like $13 and some change a pack. So let me show y'all what the hair looks like. Now I did a video back, I did a video like this before back in February. So this is what the hair looks like. Okay, and then I like to show y'all what the loops and stuff look like. This is gonna be a really quick install, y'all. This is my favorite crochet braid hair as far as braids. Like, I've tried other brands. I tried Bobby Boss. They had like a type of boho thing. I tried Made Beauty. I tried Toyo Tress. This hair has the least tangling, and it resembles human hair the most. So that's why I'm trying it again in a different color, because I just could not resist. But that's the loop. It goes on so easy, so quick. Freaking love it. So I'm gonna take the latch hook, you guys, put it through my braid, put the hair on the crochet latch hook, pull it through, and then I'm gonna open it up again, put the end of the hair on there, close it, pull it through, and that's literally what I do. I try to pull the curls so they don't get caught, and that's literally all you do. This is the easiest hair I've ever installed, and it's probably the best crochet hair I've ever installed. If you on a budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money for the human hair crochet braids, this is the perfect dupe for you. Now, my previous video, people asked me, did I have problems with tangling and shedding? Not that much. Surprisingly, I was like, you guys, I did not want to take this hair down when I previously installed it. This is the back. Now, I usually start in the back and work my way up, but since I have those plaits in the front, I do like to do those. So this is the finished look. I'm all done. I have about this much of the hair left. I feel like it's pretty full. I don't want it to look unbelievably, I don't want them to look like crochet braids, but this is the front. Let me show y'all the back. I'm trying to, but I'm gonna show y'all, I feel like this big old part is here, and I'm gonna show y'all why I do the method that I do. Now y'all let me know if y'all see a big part, because I feel it. See, it's right there. That's why I do the little zigzag method that I do. And I probably could conceal it if I do. Yeah. But I feel like it's a big part there. And that's why I was doing the zigzag method, because my hair is on the thinner side, which is why I like to do it the way like that, because it conceals that. But this is the hair. I'm 5'3" for reference. But yeah, you guys, it's super easy install. I don't know, I feel like my hair is kind of tight, so it does feel like on the heavier side. It's not heavy, but I did my braids today. I usually do my braids the day before and then I install the next day. I did my braids today and I installed today, so it's feeling kind of tight. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I bought 5 packs, showed y'all how much I had left, 26 inches. I want to say it's like 25 strands in a pack. The hair is, every strand does not have a curl. I pointed that out in my last install video. And the curls, they're super soft. And my last install, I didn't really experience any tangling like that, which is a plus. So yeah, this is definitely a human hair dupe if you want to go with it. And this is what my ends look like. And you'll be fine if you just comb them through every other day. That's what I used to do, just like this, hold them up, do this. I didn't do anything special. I just took my bonnet, I would twist it up, throw it up like that, and put my bonnet over it. I didn't do anything special like that. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.